Today we are going to be demolishing our bathroom because we're making a house renovation right now. So this is just one bit. We'll wait till the end till we rip out the toilet. And so make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise I'll hit you with the house. Okay, so this is the straw where my dad just punched this hammer through the wall. Okay, wait, I'll explain it to you. And the first part is we're going to rip out some of our little handle thingies and demolish our cupboards. So, let's put it back on. Okay, now let's rip out this. Get that trusty hammer.
It's like you gave me superpowers. I'm on top of the world when I call you my girl, my heart's racing.
Hold up, ready? Hang on. Hang on, ready?
I'm into you, I
Bring your
can't.
hands, hold up.
From the truth, caught my eye, pull me closer.
No, ready? Push it, yeah, that's it. Push it. That's it.